shit, son.
I've got some little thing, I've got a horse here. Oh, you bastard.
Oh my. This is Slim.
Drop a wallet!
This is Chili, and I'm Soph. We live aboard our floating home Nakama, and the last few months home for us has been island hopping around the coral coast of Australia. Following a recent decision to head south for summer, avoiding the cyclone season, we have found ourselves well, where else would you expect us? Coffs harbour and its boat jobs have taken us hostage.
So as you can see, we've got a new dinghy. We did try a few times to do the last repairs.
This is how not to fix a dinghy. We're fixing the fender today.
Is it just a giant blow-up fender, is it?
I mean, the tender. Same thing, almost.
It's inflatable.
Inflatable.
And it goes on a boat. Slightly different. Come on, let's go.
The inflatable tender, the valve is broken, so we're fixing it. We got a new valve, we're going to try and fix it ourselves, because there's no one here to fix it. So from having no faith to fix the inflatable ourselves, we went to try find a professional to do it for us. Little did we know that trying to find an inflatable dinghy repair in the Coffs Harbour area was like dealing on the black market. After watching a couple of YouTube videos, I became an expert in dinghy valves. I've got it! I'm an absolute genius! This reignited the faith that we in fact could maybe potentially fix the dinghy ourselves. So I ordered the valve from the local, sent Slim on a mission to Clark Rubber for flexible glue, and here we are today, attempting the unattemptable.
That looks like it's so close.
It's literally just a mill, hey?
I know.
So the problem is, the valve in one of the pontoons has snapped, leaving the inside bit still floating around the pontoon. The first step is to get this bit out, obviously trying without doing anything we will regret. Oh, never mind that.
Like that? Yeah. I think I'm going to have to make a couple of little incisions and then patch around it.
I think we're going to have to do bigger than that. So that just came out of there, that was the one that was inside.
Now we're going to get this newbie in. That went in easier than it came out. Oh!
Okay, yeah, and then we'll screw that one in.
Let's do a little test. I think dry run successful. We're going to go cut a piece of patch fabric and glue that on. Got to find a place to leave it inside because it's raining every 30 seconds here at the moment, so we dry in the dinghy and the quarter berth maybe. Oh, aye, glass. So this goes on here. Oh, she's a bit off centre, but she'll do. Yeah. All seems to fit, so we just need to glue it now. I'm just going to tape around the edge of this. Righto, so it's the next morning. This is the scary part, I guess. It looks like it's set pretty well. Hello? Yeah, we'll try that again in about 5 minutes. It's been doing this all week. Found him. Goes there. Now we've got to figure out if our pump fits it. So, our old pump size didn't work.
So
we went to borrow Mitcho's because he's got a different tender to us. And it looks like it fits. So look at that, straight on in there. Next thing we got to test, does the valve work?
I think we've done it.
We've done it? Rained again, but we got it inflated. The last thing we need to do is just test that it doesn't leak and we're good. Fixed a dinghy, maybe. Not yet, almost. So I got a wee bit of soap and water in here. We're all good. I think we've done it. I think we fixed the dinghy.
We thought we had done it. We fixed the dinghy until we deflated it, re-inflated it, and what we thought was an amazing job wasn't such an amazing job. So what did? We redid everything you just saw for it to only not work.
It's worse than the first time. It's a waste of time, what it is.
Which leads us here.
So as you can see, we've got a new dinghy. We did try a few times to do the last repairs. Clearly they didn't go according to plan twice, so until we can get that professionally fixed, which is what we always would have liked to do, there was just no repair crew around here. This will be the dinghy for the time being until we can find somewhere to repair the old one properly. How good's getting a land? I'm Karma. Good to see you, mate. Got you a new friend.
Putting our dinghy misery to bed, we piled into a tinny with a couple of tinnies to take a breath on the water, enjoy the still afternoon, and maybe catch a fish.
That's the beauty of it.
Yeah.
Mark and Mitch have a lot more knowledge of fishing than Simon and I. Simon took this opportunity to soak in as much as he could from someone who knew what they were doing.
This is serious.
Do you both
She's come towards me. I've got some little thing. I've got a horse here. Get everything in, mate. I'll need the gas. We've got to need gas. It's coming towards me now. It's got to be a big Spaniard or something, mate. Just get that in.
Oh my God.
Don't get spiked by that.
What is that?
I don't know.
I am a little bit underpowered, son. I know, but I always go underpowered.
This is a serious fish.
Yeah, I know.
It's a real serious fish.
It's a big fish. Fucking that's it. Long tail, mate.
There you are.
Yeah, don't worry.
Oh my gosh!
He's just circling now. Yeah.
I can't believe you're on that tiny little like that.
Is that a tuna?
Well, it's and
Can you?
It's a
Wow!
beautiful northern bluefish.
How did you bring this thing up?
How do we do it?
You didn't do anything.
Icebox open sesame, Mitchell.
So Mitch always likes to look inside the guts and see what they've eaten, don't you, Mitch?
Yeah, it's a bit of a weird thing, eh?
It's a weird
Just to
thing.
check the soft plastics and shit like that. Yeah, it was hungry.
There's nothing in it.
No.
Hang
Crazy.
on. Blood flowing through it, it'll start spoiling.
You want to whack that in?
Might go get a steak.
Pull along that line.
But once you do that,
then you'll see where the
see
rest
that's
is
still
left.
good.
Right, yeah.
Slowly moving, aren't they?
Do I eat it?
Yeah. Bit of soy sauce.
Needs soy, I told ya.
Need soy sauce.
Nice.
Nice, yeah.
Nothing overpowering.
No.
Fish is okay.
It'd be super nice with soy.
Bringing some dinner for Chili.
What's this? What's that? This is the nicest sunset I've seen for weeks. Whoa. What an unexpected way to finish our day off. We just weren't expecting that at all, hey? But this is so beautiful, the clouds and the mountains and the birds. New finger that I've never been on before. It's all happening. Can we not forget that Simon caught a rock cod? Whatever that thing was.
I don't even know what that was.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, orange.
That looks like the, you know, the Simpsons three-eyed.
Yeah, it was orange like that thing. Yeah.
That was exactly what it was.
It was like, get your right out of the way. I'm just like left my poor little rock cod just hanging.
Yeah.
I found this cool spot that I want to go take Soph, so we're going to go have a picnic on top of a hill with a view. So windy out there, it's blowing like 30 knots, so we're like, hey, how nice is the view? No. And we've been spending the last like 3 hours making samosas.
Simon was like, I'm going to make samosas. Let's make samosas. We got to go to the shops and get all the samosa stuff. And I'm like, okay, let's go. And then, again, who
I did
made
do a lot of them.
Who made the samosas in the end?
Me. I came up with the spice mix. Let's not forget, I made the dipping sauce.
Oh, I have something in my tooth. Oops. It's really windy. It's a strong wind morning today, so it's going to be blowy AF. But that's alright. We love some good blowy wind. We tend to blow the cobwebs off.
We're Sawtell. Oh, there you are. Sawtell. Found this place by accident the other day.
Whenever Simon is like in long grass or a grassy hilly area, he looks so Scottish.
I'm parked in the worst spot right now.
If the weather was so much nicer, it would be so much fun to swim in that pool. That's a very cool feature of Sawtell. If I knew that they actually had that, I reckon we would have been here sooner. Because it's not far from Coffs, you can literally just see where the marina is over there. It's about like a 10-minute drive or so.
We didn't even really know this place existed until I got like somewhat lost the other day.
Simon was meant to be studying, but he was procrastinating and basically
I went on
a little tour guide for himself.
Well, no, I went to site. I went on a location picking adventure for today's picnic. We are going for one adventure.
Nice spot.
I know.
See, what did I tell you? As soon as he walks on a bit of grass.
So we're gonna go down there. Much better.
We put so much effort into the samosas that we had to just find the perfect prime location to eat them and enjoy them, because I wouldn't have been able to eat them because my hair was like, you know what I'm on?
This is the sauce I was telling you guys about. Yum. Oh no, I got it on my face.
Well, that's not right. Oh. We got ice creams. We got the same one because we're so original.
Oh, it was only two vegan ones.
Turn it off. We have to work with two. You need to press the red button.
Oh yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next week. I've got it! Sorry, Chili. Ah! Now we have a fish in our cockpit.
Perfect. What do you want me to do with this thing, Mitcho?
Just leave it there, don't worry about it.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
That was in there. So we'd essentially have like a
foot pump vacuum. This way, got an aeroplane, don't we?